Hi guys, today I'll be doing a video on the paper katana. So to make the paper katana, you're gonna need a piece of A4 paper, a piece of construction paper or A4, but the construction paper just looks better like this. And you're gonna want some scrap paper. It doesn't matter what paper it is. It could be like some paper you found in the recycling bin, or it could just be some more A4 paper. It doesn't really matter what you use for the scrap, but let's start. So the first thing you're gonna want to make is the blade. So to make that, you want to just fold your piece of A4 paper in half like that. Okay, so now you want to fold it in half again. Okay, so now you want to fold it in half a last time. And you want to take some tape and just tape up and just take this together. If you have some extra, you can just take some scissors and just snip it off. Okay, so now what you want to do is just cut off some paper right here so that it looks like a katana blade, or if you want to make a sword, that's fine too, and you could just cut it like that. But for this one, I'm going to be making a katana, so cut it like that. Okay, so now you want to tape this together. And you can cut the extra off. So now you want to take that scrap paper and you want to just roll it up and tape it together. So now that you have this tube, you just want to put it inside of here like that, and you should have a bit sticking out of the end. So now you can just put the blade aside. Okay, so now you want to take your construction paper and fold it in half like this. Okay, now open it back up and you just want to cut or rip along this line. And you just want to take one of them and fold this one in half. And in half again. And fold it in half this way. I just want to tape the edges. Okay, so now to make it easier, you can just take a pencil and a ruler to make some markings on it, so you can cut out the hole to fit through right here. Okay, so now what you want to do is just measure this diagonally, like that, from the two corners, and just make a line right there. And go the other diagonal, and just make a line again. So now that you see the center, just line the ruler up with the center, and just make a mark right there. And do the same thing with the other side. So now you should have like a cross shape like that. So now you want to just take your blade here and just put it right there. Just try to measure how wide it is and line up this with the center. Just mark down about how wide it is. Or another way you could do it is just use the ruler and measure it out. And measure the other way like this. Right there. And try to center it, just mark it down. So now you just want to connect the 4 dots that you just made. This is a lot easier if you're not using black paper. Okay, so now what you want to do is just fold it in half along that right there. Just cut on the line that you just drew. If it doesn't fit, just cut out some more. Because it's always better to make it smaller than it's needed than bigger, because it can fall right off if it's bigger, but you can cut it more if it's smaller. Okay, so once it fits, you just want to put it all the way down to there and put this aside. And to do it this side, you just want to fold it in half like that. Now what you want to do is just move this up. Just wrap this around the blade and just do that. So what I like to do is just move the blade up and wrap it and just wrap this around like that and tape it. So now what you're gonna do is just pull it down to the edge right there and just tape it on like that. So you just want to make it like that. And so now what you want to do is just take some more scrap paper and just roll it up like this, like the old one. Just tape it like that. So what you want to do is just put it in like that and try to fit it in. And once it doesn't go in any further, just chop it off. Once it doesn't go in any further, and then just try to fit that back in. Then cut it off. And just do that again. So now you want to pull this back down, right about there, and just tape up the bottom. Okay, so I just taped it up here. Okay, so this is the katana part done, but if you want to make a sheath like this one, all you have to do is take the construction paper of the same color and just fold it in half once, fold in half again, and fold in half the last time. Okay, so now you want to tape everything together. And now you can just put this in like that, and just feel where it ends and just cut it about just right in front of where you feel that the katana ends. And you want to just tape it up like this. Okay, so this is your finished katana and scabbard. If you like this video, please give it a like rating and subscribe. And that's all for this video. See you in the next one.